right, so we're here at my buddy Kevin's little machine shop he's built in his garage. I've actually known Kevin longer than I've known anybody in my entire life, going on like 26, 7 years. Since I was 17.
We were young.
We were young, and you and I are really the only ones that have ever stayed in touch with each other throughout the years.
Hey man, the real ones stay around.
Yeah, exactly. But a lot of you guys are here because of him. So Kevin is the one that filmed the Dragon Twist video, taught me how to edit, and didn't teach me how to put music in though, which is why the music is terrible in that video. But yeah, so he does a lot of little machining jobs for me, and yeah, just thank you for everything you've done over the years.
Love to see you grow, man.
Yeah, and today he made a spacer for the pulley, which is exactly what you guys are getting ready to see. Enjoy.
This is double. So we don't have stick out. I don't want to have a lot of stick out. That's gonna wobble. I'm not gonna have any tool pressure here. What do you think? All right. If I pull some stick out in, I'll be more rigid. 37.8.
So this is what Kevin was machining the spacer for the pulley. We got a new motor on it. Let's see how it runs. This is a 250 ram weight power hammer. Here we go. Little bit, I'm barely even running it, maybe a quarter throttle, and I can feel the 12 inches of concrete under my feet bouncing. That runs beautifully. Couldn't be happier. Listen, I know this was a short video, a really quick video, and I'm hoping to get back into it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Try and get me back into filming some YouTube videos. Hope everybody stays well out there. You looked right into the camera.